Hi guys, welcome back to our tech. In today's video, we will see how to get legal build of Microsoft 365 Office. As you all know, if you buy Office 365 for an organization, you will get an admin console, email, and etc. But it will be so high cost, so many people do not buy it and just use the crack version. And most in the crack version, there will be no features at all, only the Office apps are available. But in today's video, we will see how to get Office 365, the full pro version for free for lifetime. Let's see all the features of the Office 365. Now let's see the, all the features are first. After you get this 365 thing, you will get an admin console where you can give access to anyone. You will give access up to 25 people including you. After you have created your account, then you will be able to promote more 24 people and give them Office 365 licenses. And also another thing, you will be able to add some business emails that do not simple emails. You can add your name at yourbusiness.com, example support at oursolutions.in, like that one. But with these 25 users, you can assign 25 business emails also. And also the next thing, you will be able to download the Office 365 apps. I'm going to show you an example. You'll see this is the 365 app. So Word, this is Excel. I'm showing the demo. You can see Microsoft 365, and you will see I'm also getting the business email here. Ourtechofficial.onmicrosoft.com is the domain name. It's not a website, it's only a business email. And also you can see it is activated. You can also update it. Okay, now let's see how to get this Office. To get it, just open your browser. Now let's now you'll see this link. Yeah, I'm giving this link in the description. You can copy this link and go to it, and it will redirect you to the page. You can see it is going to signup.microsoft.com/get started sign up, this page. Now you can see all the benefits of it. You will get the Microsoft 365 apps for enterprises. All these apps are available, and also there are more apps. You will get 1 TB of OneDrive storage. You can also connect this Office with your phone and tablets, and you will also this it will say 25 licenses you can use for 25 users. It will say 30-day license. Don't worry, we will see in this video how to activate it for lifetime, which is today's topic. Now what you should do is just enter your email address. Now I'm going to enter mine. You can see you can enter a Gmail address or a business email or any Microsoft account address. It doesn't matter. You should enter any one email address. I'm entered my Gmail account address. I'm going to click on next. After you click on next, it will ask this account if you want, if it is confirming that it is your email or not. If you just type your email address wrongly, you can click on not you and click on type the email address again. Now let's click on setup account. Let's add a name. I'm going to enter the phone number. Let's enter the company name as Avar Tech. Let's company's one person, let's say add it, and let's set the country as India. Now click on next, and it will add for the OTP. I'm going to send the verification code to that phone number and enter the verification code. Now you should enter your OTP here. It may also come to the spam folder, so you can also see if the OTP is in the spam folder. For me, it's in the spam folder only. So I'm going to enter the OTP. I'm going to verify it, and if it is success, you will be able to create your domain name, which is for your business email. You will see it is telling that you will provide a custom domain name and uh, name for your business at some point. For now, choose a name of your domain name using on Microsoft.com. It's a subdomain. First, let's add our domain names address, first address, subdomain. I'm going to add our test video. You can see this URL is available, and also I'm telling a thing, this is not a website, only a domain name. Okay, so this URL will not be in working condition after you start using it. So after you see this is available, it will say it in green color, then click on next, and you will be able to create the admin business email account, admin user. I'm going to hit our tech, now as you can see I have entered the password, and I'm going to untick both of these because if you tick this it will send you some emails telling that the tips and tips that is not needed, and if you click this thing it is not safety for your account, it will send the personal details of you to anyone. So I will not tick this. After you enter these three fields, click on sign up, and after that we are going to do this last step. And from here also you should open your mail inbox where an verification mail will arrive. After you verify only you can use everything. Now you can see it is done. All the work is done. We have to just verify this email. So let's open it. And you can see this is the verification email. Just click on start your trial and it will take you to the admin console of, you can see, Microsoft 365 admin center, and you will see you will be in the admin center of your product. Now let's open a new tab and go to this URL office.com, or you can go to Office 365 login, and let's go to office.com, and here you should log in. After you go to office.com you will see this page. Just go to sign in, and let's sign in with our account. And you will see this our test video on microsoft.com. You can see this email, just click on it and enter the password. Then you will be redirected to the page. You see office.com is being redirected, which means you are successfully logged in to your office account. If you see a profile, uh, you can see if you are visiting this page for the first time, it will show like this: the details, admin center, the Word app, Outlook app, and the Office.com things available. All the features will be listed here. After seeing this, you can close. Now, if I show you the profile, you'll see our tech at ourtechtestvideo.onmicrosoft.com. Now, if you go to the OneDrive thing, and you will see that it's real, you will get OneDrive 1 TB storage for each user. I told 25 users are available. You can keep 25 users, that too. Uh, the 25 1 TB storages on OneDrive. Let's go to the settings and see it. OneDrive settings. Here, you can see this OneDrive for business, not classic OneDrive. After you go to the settings, let's go to more settings here, and you'll see the. Let's go to the storage metrics, and also you will be able to see it will giving you a custom domain name, ourtechtestvideo.my uh, sharepoint.com. You can see this 1 TB storage of cloud storage is available. And let's go to the admin center. Just click on this, and you will be redirected to the admin center, where you will be able to see the licenses, how much time it will be there. You can download the Office app, and everything is available from here. And you will see this is here. If you click on install Office, the exe file will be downloaded, and then you will be able to download the setup file and install it, and you will get the 365 all apps, and you will be able to sign in and activate it. Now let's go to the guided setup. This M365 setup wizard. This will start when the setup is started. Okay, you will see install Office is coming, where you can download Office 365 setup file. Let's see, this all apps will be available, and many more apps are also available. Oh, I have already installed it, so I'm not going to install it. You can click on this button, and it will start the download. After you download the file, run it, and after running the file, the Office will install successfully. After that, open any app. I recommend open the Word app, and after you open, it will start asking you to sign in to activate Office. Just sign in with this new business email and the password which you created for creating this business email, and that's it. It will be activated. But I told it was only for 30 days license activation. So to activate the file for lifetime, you should get an activator file, which also the link will be in the description. I will give you. Now let's download the activator file and continue the setup. Now this is the link. I will give it in the description. If you go to this link, it will open the mega website. Now this is the activator. You should extract it, and there will be a CMD file, run it as administrator, and set things, and your Office will be active. Now let's talk some things about this activator file. This activator file is a special activator. It will have all the features that it will activate your Windows thing. If your Windows is not activated, if you run this file, your Windows will be activated. And if your Office is not activated in any version of Office, which means 2007, 10, 13, 16, 19, 365, any Office is not activated, then it will automatically activate this, and also it will activate the Windows Server thing, Windows XP, Vista 7, 8, and every Windows will be activated with this single activator. What you should do before running this file, you should disable your antivirus, which is in Windows 10, 11, and all. There is the Microsoft Defender. You should disable it, open it, and go to my virus threat protection. Click on more settings and disable the real-time protection. And also, if you have downloaded any antivirus protection app, like in my case, I have Kaspersky Total Security. Uh, disable all the antivirus and then run this file, or the antivirus program will detect that this activator file has some virus in it and it will remove it. But I am saying this file is so secure, it is not virus full. You can download it and use it for any time. I what I did when I installed this 365 thing, I installed the Office and then I signed in with the account and automatically activated for 30 days. But I activate after it got activated for 30 days, I disabled the antivirus and extracted this file, and then I run this file, the CMD file as run administrator, and then it did all the thing. After you run the file, a command prompt will open and ask for some things. It will have 9 options here. You should click on the fourth number. In it, it will ask what number should you, what choice is yours. Uh, you should click the fourth one and it will open the online KMS activator, in which it will activate a Windows server or Windows or server or Office. In it, just click on 4 and click on 1. In the next step, it will show you menu, want to activate it, or in the second one it will ask you to renewal thing. You can use that. You can use the first one for creating activation, and if click 2 for renewal, or renewal is if you are activated Office with this activator. Once it is expired, you can click on 2 and it will renew the activation, so that you will be able to continue using it. And that's it for this activator. Now let's go to the next step. The next step is to add users to this thing. The users, which is the first name, their last name, and their username. Now let's click on do this later, or you can add your user. Let's go to the admin center, and I'm going to show you how to add your custom domain to this thing. So let's go to the setup here and go to domains here, and you will see this is the main domain which we have created with the allmicrosoft.com website. Let's click on add domain, and I'm going to show you a small video here. It will show you how to add a domain there. Let's watch it. And as you see like this, you will be able to add your new domain. Just enter your domain name. It will automatically detect the registrar with the name servers detected inside it, and it will ask you to add some txt records or mx records or cname records like you have seen in the video. It will ask you, you should enter only the records in this thing here. It will tell you what records to add. Don't add the records which are in this video, because the video is an old one and the records are new in this thing. Okay, that's it for today. If you get any errors in it, you can just go to our Discord server. The link is also in the description. You can join it and ask me any doubts you want, so that it will be clarified for sure. And also, if you don't want to join the Discord server, you can ask it in the comment section. And if you want more videos like this, then subscribe to our channel and like this video if you like it. And let's meet in another awesome video. Till then, bye.